the Department of Defense of the United States announced that it is offering subsidies to build bat-like drones that can be powered by laser as part of its Defense Business Science initiative. The opportunity is open to presentations until February 28 while the Pentagon looks for emerging technology that can help it build new paradigms for autonomous flights, with a focus on highly maneuverable platforms and algorithms for flight control and decision-making. In a large agency announcement that adds details about what the Department of Defense is looking for through its concession, the ad invokes bats and flying insects as inspiration for the project. The biological study of agile organisms such as bats and flying insects has provided new insights into the complex flight kinematics of systems with a large number of degrees of freedom and the use of multifunctional flight surface materials. The description goes on to point out that advances in technology including improvements in sensors and the miniaturization of powerful computer processors and improvements in flight control algorithms should allow the creation of an autonomous drone that would function as a free-flight creature as a bat. There is a reason why the Department of Defense is interested in the most natural design. It would provide unmanned drones with more maneuverability, which allows them to behave in a way that a standard drone or a fixed-wing drone cannot do it. They believe that such a move would allow drones to operate more effectively in stealth and improve the survival rate of autonomous machines.